What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to basically cancel an offer on Poshmark, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So how to cancel an offer on Poshmark. So as a buyer, you can cancel an offer anytime before it is accepted or countered by the seller. To cancel the offer, if you're using the app, go to Account tab, which is your username, then select My Offers, select the offer, and the next steps are select Need Help, and then just simply select Cancel Offer, and that is the entirety of the process in the app. But if you're on the web, you need to select your profile picture on the top right corner of the page, select My Offers, select the offer, select Help, and from the drop-down menu select Cancel Offer, so it looks like this. Go to the upper right corner of your screen on your profile picture, then find My Orders. As you can see, My Offers. So basically over here I do not have any, so after you selected your offers, select the specific offer that you want to cancel, select Help, and from the drop down menu select Cancel Offer. If the seller has already countered, simply select Decline, and accepted offers are binding and cannot be cancelled. So guys, hopefully this video at least helped you a bit. So thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.